Hey guys, on this episode we talk about the importance of warming up, how to best meal prep your meals, and how to get out of the I don't care mindset. Let's get ready to go, guys. What is the best way to meal prep when I am busy all the time? I'm gonna let Frankie go ahead and take this one.
Perfect. All right, so with meal prepping, we need to pick at least maybe 1 or 2 days a week that you have about, I'd say about 2 hours or so for meal prepping. We call it the Sunday ritual. When you're at home, that should be our meal prep day. For most people, that's pretty good. So what you're gonna do for your meal prep is grab all your proteins, your chickens, your fish, your ground turkey. You're gonna cook all that on your Sunday, okay? So cook all that. If you wanna add in some of your rice, quinoas, some of your starches, things like that as well, you can do that. But for the most part, let's focus on just the proteins right now. Baking your chicken, maybe on the grill with your fish. You know, that's probably the best way to start your meal prep, okay? As for vegetables and other things like that, I would say you do them the day of. So in the morning, I do a great recipe. It's 10 minutes, preheat your oven to 375. Okay, put all your vegetables chopped onto a pan, put it in the oven for 10 minutes while you're getting ready for morning. Boom, there you go. You got your veggies for the next 2 days right there.